Hello, hope you're doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create and sell an online course for free. The platform that we'll be using is Payhip, and with Payhip you can sign up for completely free. You don't need a credit card or anything like that. All you'll need is your email address and you can use their free forever plan. And you'll get access to all of the features on the platform and you'll be able to add unlimited products. The only thing is once you make money, they'll make money. So for example, if you were to sell a course, they'll take a 5% transaction fee and that's it. So what I would recommend you do is sign up to Payhip. Once you are signed in, you will be redirected to a dashboard just like this. And from here, you are going to tap on products from the top menu option. After you have tapped on products, you will be redirected to this dashboard and you are going to tap on add new product. Then from here, you will see the option course. You are going to tap on sell your course. After you have done that, you can add in your course title. So let's say, for example, my course title is how to sell a course. So I'll type it in right there, how to sell an online course. Let me do that real quick. Then I'm going to tap on add course. After you have done that, you will be redirected to a new page. And from here, you can add your first lesson. So all you will need to do is simply tap on the pencil right beside first section. And what I would recommend you do if you need some help when creating your course, you can use one of the AI platforms. The one that I would recommend you use is Google Barn, although most persons tend to prefer ChatGPT. So you can see right here, I went onto Google Barn and I simply typed in create a course on how to sell online courses, and this is what it came up with. So I told it to write an outline for an online course on how to make online courses, and you can see it right here. So this would be module 1, introduction to online course creation. So all you would need to do is simply copy this section. Once you have copied this section, you could simply paste it in. So we'll go back into Payhip. So you'll go back right here and you could simply paste it in right there. After you have done that, you'll tap on the sticky. Then from there, you could tap on add new lesson. So you'll tap on add new lesson right there and you can see new lesson. Then from here, you could add in the lesson information by simply tapping on new lesson or tapping on the pencil icon. After you have done that, you'll be led to this dashboard. And from here, you can choose whether you'd like to add video, or if you'd like to create a survey, or if you'd like to add text or quiz, or you can embed something. So let's say, for example's sake, I wanted to embed text, or better yet, add text. I could tap on text right there. Then I'll simply scroll down, and let's say the text that I want to add is this section right here. What is an online course and what are the benefits of creating an online course. So I'm going to simply copy this. Then I'm going to go back right here and I'm going to paste it right here. After you have done that, I also ask Google Barn to tell me what are some of the benefits of creating an online course and what is an online course. So you can see the information that it came up with right here. So I'm going to simply copy this. So I'll tap on the 3 dots, then tap on copy. Once it has been copied, I'm going to go back into Payhip and I'm going to paste it right there. So you can see it right there. Once you have added in the content, all you'll need to do is simply scroll down and you can see other options. So you can see publish lesson. I'll tap on that. If you would like to make this a free preview lesson, you can do that. Or if you would like to enable discussions, so if you would like to enable the comment section, you can also do that by tapping right there. Then all you'll need to do is tap on save changes at the bottom of the page. Once the changes have been saved, all you'll need to do now, you could tap on back to curriculum in the top left hand corner. Then once here, you can choose to add new lessons, or if you'd like to add a new section, you could tap on new section in the top right hand corner and you could add a new section. Once you're finished, you can tap right where you see settings from the top menu option. After you have tapped on settings, you will be redirected to this dashboard. And from here, you'll be able to edit your course title. You can also add a thumbnail image for your course. So you can add a thumbnail image right here. And you can also access some advanced options. So for example, if you'd like to automatically subscribe customers to a mailing list, you can simply tick this box and you can scroll down and you can add author details. So you could add your first and last name. And if you'd like to upload an image, you can do that if you'd like to add that for your profile image. Then you'll tap on Save Changes at the bottom of the page. Now we are going to go to Pages from the top menu option. After you have tapped on Pages, you will be redirected to this dashboard. And this is your sales page. To edit your sales page, you'll simply tap on Edit in line with sales page. Once you have done that, you will be redirected to the sales page editor. So you'll be able to change how your sales page look. At the moment, this is my sales page right here for my course. I can make any changes I want, so I could tap right where you see course title. So you can see it right here. I could tap right there from the left hand menu option. You can edit the course title right there by tapping there. If you would like to change the button text, if you would like to add button, you could tap here and you could add button. And you can paste the button link right here that you could get persons to click on. Now let me go back. By going back, you will see other editing options. So you can change the example image if you want. At the moment, this is the example image as you can see right here. So I could change this image if I want by simply tapping on replace. I could quickly change the image. Once you have made all of the editing options that you want, you'll make all of the changes that you want. All you'll need to do now, you could tap on choose pricing plan from the left hand menu option. Once you have tapped on choose pricing plan, from here you'll simply scroll down and you can see right here you can add a background image if you want. You can also add background color if you don't want to change the background. You can choose to either change the background color or you can choose to add a background image if you want. Then we'll tap on back right there and you'll be able to edit all sections as you can see right here. Once you're finished, you'll tap on publish in the top right hand corner for it to be published. But at the moment, I'm going to leave it as is. So all I'm going to do now, I'm going to tap on course pages and you can see the different pages here. If you would like to add blog pages, you can do that by simply tapping on blog right there. Now let's go back to the other page and I'll be showing you how to edit the checkout page. So you can see the checkout page right here. All you'll need to do now is tap on view to view your checkout page. So let's do that. They couldn't find the page as we'll need to publish it before they can find that page. So we're going to go back real quick. So let's go back right here. Once here, you can choose to edit the thank you page by tapping on edit. After you have done all of that, it's now time to set the pricing for your course. So you're going to tap on pricing. After you have done that, you'll see you don't have any active pricing plans. So we're going to tap on add pricing plan. And you can decide the price that you would like to sell your course for. Whether you like to offer a one-time purchasing price or you want it to be recurring payments, so you could tap right there, or you want it to be a payment plan, or you'd like to offer it free, you could tap on free right there. Any one of these options that you want to use, you can quickly edit it. Then you'll tap on members from the top menu option, and there you'll be able to view your members. You'll also be able to view the quizzes and the quiz response. But let's go back to the main dashboard once more, so I can show you how to continue editing your course. If you would like to create certificates that persons can get after they have completed your course, you could tap on add first certificate to create a certificate. Now going back, you can also see once you're finished, you'll simply tap on publish in the top right hand corner. Once you have tapped on publish, you'll simply scroll down. Then you can tap on publish right here. After you have done that, you're going to scroll down and you will tap on visible. Then you are going to tap on save changes and your course will now be live. And that's basically it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.